Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this melt in the mouth vanilla cake that you can use for birthdays and other events. For this recipe, we'll be making use of 500 grams of margarine. I'm using super delicious here, 300 grams of sugar, 7 eggs, and also we'll be using milk powder, 1/6 cup of milk powder, 500 grams of flour, and we'll also be using 1 teaspoon of flavor. All the ingredients used for this cake will be listed in the description box for you, so just go there to get the accurate measurement of all the ingredients. So first step is to cream your margarine. You cream only the margarine until it gets a bit fluffy, then you go in with your sugar. So you cream these two together until it's pale and almost white or almost off-white, just like you can see in the video here. Then we are going to add in our dry ingredients. I added in my baking powder and my milk powder to this, and then we combine it together and set it aside. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. I love you so much. So you add in your flavor to your eggs, and then you add your eggs into your butter and sugar mixture. So we are going to go in 1 egg at a time. So you add 1 egg, you cream it, or 2 eggs, you cream it very well, make sure it's well combined, then you go in with the next egg. So we are going to give it a good scrape so that everything will come in place. So we went in with the other eggs until we are done. Then at this point you are going to add in your dry ingredients. So we went in with half part of the dry ingredients, just combined it together thoroughly until there was no dry ingredients remaining or showing. Then we went in with milk. I forgot to add milk to the list of ingredients when I was mentioning it, but don't worry, the right quantity that was used will be mentioned in the description box. So at this point we went in with our evaporated milk and just gave everything a final mix to make sure that it is well combined. So my spatula was very soft, too soft, so I had to go in with a spoon to make sure that everything was thoroughly mixed together, so there is no dry ingredients hanging out when you are done. So just make sure everything is thoroughly combined, but mind you, don't overwork your batter. Just make sure you combine everything together, added it into our baking pan, and don't forget to cream your pan with butter and flour before you add in your cake batter. So at this point I added it into my baking pans and we baked in the oven for about 40 minutes on medium to low heat for about 40 minutes, and our cake came out ready. It was done. Once the skewer goes in and it comes out dry, that means your cake is ready. So just like you can see here, I have a video of how to decorate a cake for beginners, so I think I'll put it up here so you can go there and watch if you want to ice your cake for a birthday or any event. So guys, look at this yummy cake. This cake was so nice, like it was melt in the mouth. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and see you in my next video. Bye.